How to turn on and fix call waiting on Honor 200. So first of all, to turn on call waiting, open phone app. Now click on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on settings. Now here in settings, click on more option and here wait for few seconds for call waiting. Now here you will see a on off button on the top with call waiting. Now to turn on call waiting, tap on this button to turn it on. When this button is turned on, it means call waiting is now on. Now after turning on this button, if you are facing issues while using call waiting, then to fix the issue, try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting it will fix the call waiting issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and after that click on reset. Now click on reset network settings and then tap on reset network settings option again on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option, it will reset all your SIM card settings, Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings back to factory default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after resetting the network settings, the call waiting will start working properly. So that's how you can fix call waiting on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.